Selamat datang kembali. Welcome back to Bali Unveiled. Today we're going to go chase a waterfall. This is going to be, I think, the only vlog style, really vlog, of this series. So let's enjoy it. Let's get into it. Let's go. So I'm actually covering my feet like this with socks and some pants. And I usually don't do that. I don't even put shoes in Bali. But I need to do that because my friend who recommended the waterfall told me that there were some leeches. So I need to protect myself and I will need some salt too. So yeah, that's part of the preparation. So this looks a bit ridiculous, but I hope it protects me from the leeches. We'll see further down the episode. So in terms of gear, a vest, some gloves, a mask, and sunglasses to protect me from everything. Let's go on the bike. And some water. I didn't find anything else to put the salt, so I'm going to put it in this. I'm going to take I'm going to take this much salt if I encounter some leeches. And we're all done. Let's go. So, all ready for the trip. Let's just see the motorbike 2 seconds. So I put my bags right there. And some raincoats here. My tank is full. So, yeah. Let's go. Hey, so I was in Ubud this morning, and I've been riding towards Bedugul. It's been an hour and a half. I've just arrived at the point where I need to walk. So there's my motorbike there. Oh. Motorbike there. And there's like 3 roads. There's a driveway. I don't know what that is. I think it's a temple. And there's a road that goes down like that. So there's a big valley there. Oh, you can't see anything yet. I've seen some waterfall tourist places, so I'm sure there are waterfalls, but I don't know where this leads. So we'll find out. And man, the dog is like, I think I'm in his house or something. So let's go walking. So right now I'm walking down the path I just showed you. It seems promising. Oh, and I also asked a guy on the motorbike that was passing by if he knew where to go, but he didn't know because he wasn't from here. So I had to choose between 2 roads just now, and I think I took the right one because I think you can hear the waterfall. Can you hear the water? I think I'm on the right path. Let's go. But there's a tree standing in my way, and the road is not really well maintained. Oh shit. I shouldn't swear. I will blip that. This looks promising, huh? So we can clearly hear the waterfall. They're really near the waterfall, but there are 2 roads. Wait, let me give you more light. So there's this one and this one. Which should I choose? I think it's better to go there. Let's go there. We can see it through the trees. Found it. This is amazing! There's so much water. Hey, so I just filmed some shots at the waterfall. It's so wet there. So what I did is I climbed back up and I'll see if I can like go around the waterfall and see another one maybe there. Maybe there's another one. Let's hope. We'll see. So I just came down from there, came up from there, and there's actually a way that I didn't see, and I went from there. But there was a way somewhere. Should have followed the road instead of climbing like a monkey. Like a monkey. So let's continue on the road. I'm looking down because I don't want to fall, but I'm with you. Let's go. Let's see where this leads. I'm sure we'll find a way. Let's go, man. We're now at the top of the waterfall. So we're on the road. I sprained my ankle. Good thing I have strong ankles. Oh look, there's a big tree that fell just. We're on top of the waterfall. Big tree fell. So let's continue on. Through the jungle. In the jungle. Like dragonflies. Can I film one? It's trying to film the dragonfly. There's one here. Where did he go? Okay. This one there. Can we zoom? Oh, can you see him? Yeah. We got the dragonfly. I hope we can film a snake too. Just continue the road. Oh, and I forgot to say, but we're all alone since like a long time. Haven't seen anyone. So it's a really good spot, huh? This is the best adventure I've had for a long time. So cool. Baby waterfalls, trees. Right, there it is. Look at that beauty. Oh, maybe with the sun. Let me get some, sun rays. I'm not on the road anymore, and I don't know where to go. Oh, maybe here. Let's see. So I'm doing the dangerous road. Wait. Oh shit! I'm all tangled up with the whoosh. Okay. Think it worked? Okay, let's go there. Oh yeah, good. Put myself away. Doesn't seem to be a road. Whoa, shit. Okay. I'm back on something. I don't know if it's a road, but I'll stop filming because I don't want to fall. I think there's something there. Okay, see you in a bit. Oh, and we got to say, but if I die or if I fall or something, nobody knows that I'm here, so I need to be extra careful. Okay, let's go. So update, I'm literally on a tree right now. Literally on a tree. We're climbing. Because I can't find the road, but I think there's something there. But I actually don't know, so maybe we're climbing for nothing, but I mean, it's better to climb. But this road seems treacherous. So let's continue. Woo! Adventure. Oh. Man. So I haven't found a road, but I found this big tree. I thought it was going to lead to a road, but no. There's another waterfall that I can see through the trees. So, I mean, let's continue, huh? For those who are sticking with me right now, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy the content, because I nearly died like 2 times. If you did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, because I want to do more content like this. And if I have more subscribers, I will have more free time, and I will put even more of myself into it. I will risk myself more, and like, comment, because well, this is I love this concept of vlogging and just going somewhere, but maybe I will take a GoPro and a microphone next time. I need to save up to buy that because having a DSLR camera, it's just with the tripod and everything, it's just so tiresome. It takes too much space and effort to do everything. I almost took my stabilizer, but good thing I didn't because it would have been impossible. Because look how I'm sweating. I'm super dirty too. I look forward to my shower later. So I think we can go that way. Well, you can't see, but there might be a road there. Or that way, but it doesn't seem like a road there. So yeah. All the rest of it. Oh, and also noticed when I was like almost arriving with my motorbike earlier that I forgot to put my water bottle in my bag, so I don't have water, I don't have food, and I'm beginning to get thirsty. Should have bought a bottle of water. That was dumb. Please take water when you go on things like that, like this. Alright. Thank you for listening, and so update. It was on a road. It was definitely not a road. I'm still in the middle of nowhere. And I don't know where to go because I'm going further from my bike. I'm on the other side of the river, so I don't know what to do. There's like no sign of human touch. I mean, everything is like untouched. It's good, but I can't find my way. So yeah. Oh wait, I just heard a motorcycle, but it was on the other side, I guess. Oh fuck. Oh no. I don't know how to go there. I'm going to die here. For sure. Yeah. Aside from that, all is good. I'm still continuing in the jungle. I hope that I find something soon because I'm tiring and I need some food. Need some water too. Oh wait, there are fruits there. Wait, can you see those orange fruits? Okay, let's go there. Found a sort of nest of an animal. I don't know what it is. It dug a huge hole. I don't know what it can be. Maybe an armadillo? An armadillo. 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 And the fruits are there, but they're super high up. So I don't think I can climb. I mean, I can climb, but it's super dangerous. I don't know. And I'm in the middle of nowhere, so better not to try. Oh, wait, is it going to rain? Fuck. I need to go faster. Quick update. So, it is 12. I just looked at my phone. I checked where we were. So I climbed the tree and I got some network. So I went to Google Maps to see where I was. I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's no roads here. So it's normal if I don't find any. I came back down because it's better to go the other way and not climbing like I did. Go back to the river and go to the other side. So I was hearing this noise. I thought there were other people, but it's only the pipe from earlier. So yeah, but I fell like 3 times already. My butt, you can see, my butt is all dirty, and I mean I'm going to continue going down, like to, yeah. So it's 12. I'm beginning to be hungry because I didn't eat this morning, and that's it. Yeah, I know I'm not holding the camera right, but no worries. You get the gist. So I think you can see the water there. I found the river, but I think it's pretty deep. There's a log there at the middle. I don't know if you can see it. And it looks pretty big. So there might be like a meter of water there. So I'm not going to, and I don't feel like I can climb down easily here and climb up there. So I'm just going to continue on this path, if you can call that a path, and let's hope for the best, huh? I'll just continue grinding, and I want to see my face. Look at my face now. This is so hard. Rivers. I hope I don't find a crocodile or a big snake. I shouldn't say that. It's not good for karma. Good thing I didn't take my sandals when I took my shoes. This would have been hell. Oh shit. There's so much water here. So much like can you see them? There's a waterfall, yeah. I can hear it, but I can't see it. I think it's around here. You can hear it too, huh? Waterfall. Let's just check if there's not a hole in it. Oh, to the river. Still pretty deep, I think. So I won't go there. I don't know why it's very... Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to go there. Looks pretty deep. And I don't want to get too wet either. So I'll just continue on that road, on the road. Oh, I got some sunlight. I've been in the canopy for so long. There's no sun. Sun is back. Yeah, let's continue this way. So I'm continuing to film to show you what I do, but actually this is the easy part. Earlier it was so hard, I couldn't even move. I need to climb. Here the terrain is pretty flat, so it's easy to just go around. There's some trees everywhere. There was a tree snapping. Let's see if there's less water here. Oh, maybe there is less water. Let's see if we can go to the water. We're going to jump. So the water seems pretty shallow, but there's no roads on the other side, so I guess we need to continue our... Oh, this is going to be harder, you see. There's much more plants on the lake. I get entangled. Wow, this is so hard. I should have brought a machete or something. Would have been way easier. Okay, so I'm blocked, so I'll stop here. But you get the point. I'm just continuing my road. See you soon. Hey, quick update. So I just spent an hour right now because I lost the cover of the lens. You know, the thing you put on the lens to protect it. So I lost that. I went back to my steps, but I can't clearly find the path because, well, there's no path. So I don't know where I've been. I don't know when I lost it, and so I don't have a cover, and I hope I don't scratch the lens because, yeah, there's no protection right now. I don't know what to do. Yeah, but that's the update. I'm super thirsty, super hungry because I've been like for the last hour searching everywhere, nothing, found nothing, so I'm a bit pissed at myself. But yeah, that's what adventures are. So yeah, let's continue. Let's go home. And yeah. So I found a temple. So I'm on the road right now. So yeah, good update. Good thing. I'm just going to follow the path, and normally I'm going to go back home. So I'm not going to give you the exact location of where I am. I'm going to just give you this. So if you find it through this, well done. There's a waterfall there. You can hear it and maybe see it. No, you barely see it. But yeah, so I'm on the right path. I don't know what's inside, but I won't go in because I want to respect. It's like a cave, I think. Okay, let's continue. So there's actually a bridge. Damn. Freaking bridge. Let's go on the bridge. Oh, there are stairs. Look at that. Stairs. Temple. Damn, I'm so happy. Stairs, finally. Let's go up. Oh, it's going to be a hard climb, so I'll just stop recording. I'll climb on my own. See you at the top. So I'm at the top right now, but I don't see the road I was in at first. I don't understand. Where's the road? Where did I go? Oh. That climb was really hard. I still haven't drank anything. I'm so thirsty. I'm so dirty. This was white. I don't know if you see my socks. My socks were white. So update. So there are actually two rivers meeting down the road. So that's why there was a hill at the middle. So I just climbed the middle hill. So I need to go down and go up again to go to my first hill. I'll put a drawing just beside me right now to show you. So two rivers meeting, and my path was the red one. See how it goes? Okay, So yeah, I need to go down and up again. See you then. I need water. Here is the second river, way smaller than the other one, and the road is not that bad. That's the first human I saw, like, from the last 3 hours. I've been in the jungle so long. Oh shit, I should not swear. So yeah, climbing the hill, but this one seems a bit easier, so I'll see you at the top. And actually there's a third river there, so I went up and back down again. So the third river over there. You don't see anything, of course. So yeah, there's a little bridge there. There's a small river, very small river. Let's go back up. So found the road again, finally. Met some people, they gave me water, so they were super nice. And right now I'm going back to my bike, which is at the end of the road. So yeah, well, I'm so dead. Just want to eat. Oh, there's a dog. Look, you can see the bike there. So we're back to where we started. We didn't die. That's a good thing. We chased some waterfalls. The takeaways of today is be more careful about my gear. I lost my cap and I'm a bit sad. Always bring water and food if you get lost. Good thing I had my phone, because if not, I think I would have been even more lost. And dogs are really okay. So thank you for following. Thank you for following me on this one. I hope and the dog is annoying. Thank you for following me. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you for following me on this one. I hope you liked it, as I have endangered my life so many times today. Please like, subscribe if you want more things like this in the future. Comment below what you think about this, if you found the place, because there's one hint that shows where this is, and if you found it, great, you can go here. There's no one on the road, no one in the forest, so it is a great place. It was a great experience, and I'll see you in the next one. So dirty, huh? Yeah. I mean, I'm so dirty.